So how do you fix everything is crashing on Steam? First, you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options, and then go to installed files and verify the game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam, and then you will need to open up your browser and then search for redist for the redistributables. And this link is going to be in the description. Now you can scroll down to the second table, which is this one, and make sure to download and install the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. And once you finish this installation, it will require you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, you'll also need to check if your GPU has the latest driver updates available. So for NVIDIA, you can use the NVIDIA app, and if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. And make sure to install the latest available updates. Next, if the game keeps crashing at startup, what you can do is try to disable overlays. So for example, the NVIDIA overlay here, make sure it's turned off. Next, you should also disable the overlay on Discord if you have Discord. So you can go to the user settings, scroll all the way down and click on the game overlay and make sure it's turned off. And next, you can basically disable the Steam overlay as well by going to Steam settings and then scroll down to in-game and turn off the in-game overlay from here. You should also turn off the overlay if you have MSI Afterburner or Riva Static Tuner. And once you did that, you can restart your computer, run Steam as admin before launching the game. You can look for Steam, right click and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your Steam library, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.